In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a title case in Figma. Achieving perfect typography is crucial for any design, and mastering text case can significantly enhance the readability and professionalism of your projects. Figma offers a really straightforward way to manage text cases, including title case, which is often used for headlines, titles, and button labels to maintain a clean and consistent aesthetic. This feature saves a lot of time by automating what would otherwise be a tedious manual process of capitalizing each word. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting with Figma, understanding these basic text manipulation tools will streamline your workflow and help you create more polished designs. Let's dive right into our first step. The very first thing you need to do is select the text layer you wish to modify. In your Figma canvas, simply click on the text element that you want to convert to title case. Once selected, you'll notice that its properties appear in the right-hand sidebar. This is your Type Settings panel. This panel is where you control all aspects of your text, from font style and size to color, and importantly for us today, its case. By clicking the text, you're essentially telling Figma, "Hey, I want to edit this specific piece of text," and it immediately presents you with all the relevant options to do so. It's important to ensure you've selected the entire text layer, rather than just a portion of the text within it, to ensure the case change applies universally to that text box. Now that your text layer is selected, and your type settings are open on the right, let's move on to the second and final step. Within this Type Settings panel, you'll need to locate the Case option. Depending on your Figma version or specific layout, it might be presented as a drop-down menu or a set of icons under a Text or Type section. Look for an icon that often resembles an uppercase A and a lowercase a next to each other, or a clear label that says Case. Click on this option and a small menu will appear, presenting you with various capitalization styles. You'll typically see options like uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, and of course, title case. For our purpose today, simply select title case from this list. As soon as you click it, you'll see your selected text instantly transform, capitalizing the first letter of each significant word, while generally leaving prepositions, articles, and conjunctions in lowercase, following standard title case rules. This instant visual feedback is one of the many great aspects of working with Figma. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure consistency across all your design elements that require a title case format, such as headings, navigation links, or prominent call-to-action buttons. And just like that, you've successfully converted your text to title case in Figma, making your design look much more professional and uniform. That's all there is to it. A simple two-step process to perfectly formatted titles every time.